Today I'm going to give you a very powerful and ancient technique which will help you immensely in your manifestation journey, and most importantly it will release any kind of desperation, any kind of doubts, any kind of negativity, any kind of attachment, fears, any blocks that you are having towards your any area of life or any particular goals, whether for money, dream job, good health, good relationship, manifesting soulmate, or struggling in any area. It will be a game changer, and you will start seeing massive development happening, massive changes happening within next 24 hours. If you start doing this process, and if you do it for next 10 days, it will be a game changer for you. It will enhance your manifestation power in multifold. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Let me teach you the technique right away. The technique is based on a very ancient spiritual process called completion. Yes, what is completion? See, we know the law of attraction, like attracts like, or like it is said, you do not manifest what you want, or you do not attract what you want, you attract what you are. So now you must be thinking, like, how can I be in the state of being rich before manifesting money, or how can I be successful before becoming successful? See, that's where the alignment comes, that's where the vibrational match comes. So in this technique, I am going to give you 3-step process. This will put you in that state of alignment with your manifestation, alignment with that goal, which will put you in that state of manifestation completion. Now, all of you must have heard about these things, like when people say, like, if something is stuck from past, some work you have left undone, some karma is left undone, then that is why you are struggling again and again and again, or suffering. But let's go much deeper and understand that if you are struggling for any particular manifestation, and on the step 1 of this ancient process, I want you to choose one area of life, whether it's particularly a goal or one area of life where you are struggling with manifestation so far. So for many people, they are very good with relationship, but they are struggling in money. For others, they are very good in terms of like getting a job, but they are always struggling in money, or they are struggling in relationship. So choose one particular area of life, or even you can go a little more deeper and choose one particular goal or wish that you want to manifest. But choose something where maybe you are struggling for some time, or whenever you think about this, you always get this doubt from how it is going to come, when it is going to come, why it's not happening. Like, for example, if you want to manifest your dream job, or if you want to manifest a new job, so you are still struggling, you are getting changing jobs, but you are not reaching a job where you can be absolutely happy and excited to go to that job every single day, or you are working really really hard, but money is not coming to you, or money is coming, then it is always going away from you, or you are having a relationship, but you always struggling in the relationship. So first step of this ancient process is choose that one area of life, right? Like money, career, or health, or relationship, or you can go little even specific and think about that new job or dream job. Think about earning 50,000 rupees per month, or 1 lakh rupees per month, or maybe earning 10 lakh rupees or 50 lakh rupees, like that. Or maybe like finding your soulmate, or getting married, or having already partner, but there are a lot of fight going on, and having the relationship beautiful, positive, and getting married, or living in a beautiful life. So also you can focus on your health area. So first choose one area or one goal, and then take loose sheets of paper. Like, take loose sheets of paper. Preferably you take A4 size paper, and you write this first completion statement 10 times. Yes, this completion statement, when you write it repeatedly, it will go inside your subconscious mind. This is step 1. So what you are going to write, that I am whole and complete in, and you write that area of life or write that goal. Like, for example, I'm whole and complete in my career, or I'm whole and complete in my dream job. I'm whole and complete being perfectly healthy, fit in my body. I'm whole and complete being in my beautiful relationship, or I'm whole and complete in being in my happy married life. Or let's suppose if you are having any health issue, so I'm whole and complete in my body. I'm perfectly whole and complete. Or if you are having any particular health issue in any particular organ or part of the body, even you can mention that, and I'm whole and complete, and my this organ is working perfectly fine. So what you are focusing, that you are not getting desperate about any specific goal or anything. What you are implanting in your head, in your subconscious mind, is I am whole and complete. Means you are completely whole and complete in this area or in this state of life, or for this particular, like whether it's money, health, career, job, relationship. So this is what you are going to write 10 times. You can start writing on a new sheets of paper. Write 10 times. That is step 1. First, let me give you the whole process, and then after that I'll explain why we are going to do it and why it's so powerful. And I can tell you, once you do it, you can start seeing so many positive news, miracles start happening even within next 24 hours. That's the most powerful thing. So you write the completion test statement 10 times. And right now also I want you to go ahead and write that completion statement once or 3 times, or even you can write 10 times in the comment, right? I am whole and complete in whichever goal or whichever area. I am whole and complete in my relationship. I am whole and complete in my career growth. I am whole and complete working in my dream job. I am whole and complete earning 1 lakh rupees per month. I am whole and complete being absolutely fit and energetic. So go ahead and write whatever the main thing that you want to manifest through this process. So write, that is the first step. Now in the second step, what you have to do is you have to write 10 points of gratitude about some of the good things that you have in that area of life. Now why we are creating this? Because we are infusing in our mind, subconscious mind, that we do not lack anything. Remember, like attracts like. So if you are focusing on lack, many people, they want to manifest their goals, but why they are not manifesting? They are saying that I want X, I want G, I want money, I want a relationship, I want. But whenever they are thinking about the I want, they are feeling that lack. So the lack is like attracts like. Lack is manifesting more lack in your life. So when you are feeling that I am complete and being grateful of some of the things that you have in your life, so you are letting go. And now as you are in the state of manifestation, completion, you will attract your manifestation towards you. This is the most beautiful part. Next, write, I am happy and grateful now for 10 points or 10 things you are grateful for. Like for example, if you are manifesting your dream job, so you write in the first step that I am whole and complete working in my dream job. So now you must be having a job at this point, or if you don't have a job, you are a student or you are first time applying for a job, then you must be having something with you which you should be grateful for. So you start in the second step, you start writing at least 10 points. I am happy and grateful now that I am having a job. I am so happy and grateful now that I am getting some experience. I am so happy and grateful now that I am a good employee. I am so happy and grateful now that I am dedicated at my work. I am so happy and grateful now that I am earning money. I am so happy and grateful now that I am getting experience. I am so happy and grateful now that I work really well with people. I am so happy and grateful now that I help others. So whatever some of the qualities or some of the things related to that particular goal area that you already have or that you are already doing, start being grateful for it. So let's suppose if you are manifesting your dream house, so in the completion you wrote, I am whole and complete living in my dream house. So that is the completion statement done. Now here, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have a house. I'm so happy and grateful now that, let's suppose if you don't have a house, you are living in a rented house. So you can write then, I'm so happy and grateful now that I am living in a house. I am so happy and grateful I have the money to pay my rent. I'm so happy and grateful that I have this facilities. I'm so happy and grateful now that I feel comfortable here. I'm so happy and grateful now that even if it's a small house, I keep it beautiful. So like this, whatever related to that goal or that area, write 10 points. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm alive. If you are focusing on health, same way, I'm so happy and grateful now that my organs are working well. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm eating good food. I'm so happy and grateful now that I can walk, I can talk, I can listen. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm using my mind, body and spirit. So like this, whatever you have, write 10 points of gratitude. So that is step 2. And do it today. And if you are ready to do it today, let me know in the comment. Do it today, just one day, and you will see so much of positivity coming within you. Your desperation, your negativity will go down. In the step 3, what you have to do, you have to do this process for 10 days. Yes, 10 days, and it will be a game changer. Your manifestation power will go zoom. So amazing. So do it for 10 days. And what you have to do, if you are taking some loose sheets of paper and writing your 10 times, step 1, the completion statement, 10 points of gratitude. Next day, take that paper, write again. If the paper is full, take one more paper, write it, take one more paper, write it, and do it. So do it for 10 days, and it will be super powerful, super amazingly. And you can keep it somewhere, you can keep it somewhere safe, or you can keep it under your pillow. If you like, you can keep these papers under your pillow. If you like, you can do it for 10 days, or you can keep it in your desk, in your books, inside your journal. And during the day, if you feel like, you can find this paper and read it once or twice. And particularly when you think about this area of life, you keep telling that I am whole and complete in this area of life. So now this is the process, 3-step process, simple process, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 completion technique. Yes, this is the ancient technique. Now why this is powerful? And before I tell you why, if you are new here in our channel, I am Ajay Mishra, India's leading law of attraction coach and manifestation mentor. And last 15 years, I am helping people from all walks of life, actors, athletes, business owners, to manifest their goals, desires and dreams. And if you are new here in our channel, welcome to our channel, welcome to our journey. And now your manifestation journey has started. So hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our tribe. So now, why this process is so powerful? See, one thing, the core thing is, unless we have a sense of certainty inside our subconscious mind, we cannot manifest those things which we are desiring. That's why when we are too much focused on wanting something, we get desperate. So many of you keep writing in the comment, or if you are struggling with the same so far, let me know in the comment that you want so much, whether money, whether job, whether relationship, whether health, but you get desperate, you feel doubtful, you feel bad. So when you are writing it again and again and again that I am whole and complete, with the power of repetition, you are implanting in your subconscious mind that you are already in the state of manifestation. Your manifestation is complete. It's everything is done, and you are aligned with the universe that it's done. And that's when the universe know that you are aligned, it will bring everything into your life. Second step, when you are writing 10 points of gratitude, you are not focusing on lack. See, many a times people are not able to manifest because when they are thinking about their goals and dreams, they feel excited, good. But when they look at their life, they feel bad. So what happened? The vibration goes up when they are visualizing or thinking. But when they look at their situation, the vibration comes down. Like when they think about, oh, I deserve the best relationship, oh, I deserve the best partner, and they look at, they are still single, they had a breakup, and they feel bad, they feel sad, they feel doubtful. So you were in the flow of manifestation, but when you look at your current situation, zoom. Your vibration drops, your manifestation drops. Same way, you are very excited of earning money, making money, whether through building business, getting a job, through stock market, and you are doing it, and you are all excited. but you have one loss, or you lost some money, or you don't have the money. You look at your bank balance, you are thinking about becoming a lakpati, crorepati, millionaire, and thinking about and putting all your work and visualizing and also doing the things, and now you look at your bank account, you look at your stock portfolio, you look at your past failures, and then you are going like this, drop down. So what happened? The manifestation gets stuck. That's the time the resources and things will start getting aligned. It's got stuck. So what we are doing, when we say that I am in the alignment state, I am in the completion state, we are letting the universe know that I am ready for it. I am in that state already. The manifestation is right there, and I am already ready for it. Like for example, when you are going, let's suppose you are going for a holiday to Goa. So when you are like, until you are planning everything, planning with your friends, everything, the plan can change. But the moment you have your tickets and everything, you do it, check in at the airport, you sit on the plane, you know that once the plane take off, you know that there is no coming back. Like the Goa is right there, Goa is not going to go anywhere. You are already in the plane is already flying. So you are going to reach there, you are going to have your vacation. It's like when you tell yourself that I am in the completion state, you are like sitting on that flight and you are just about to reach there. So you have this state, and when you are saying, you are writing 10 points of gratitude, you are no more focusing on lack, because lack attracts more lack. Now you are in the focusing on alignment. You are telling the universe, whatever you has given me so far, I only look at the positive side of it, and I'm grateful for it, and I'm open for more positivity, even without saying more good things. That's where the universe is bring more good things into your life. All the right people, resources, everything will align. And if you do it for 10 days, magic start happening in your life, and start doing it from today. Even if knowing this is inspiring you, if you are excited to do this practice, let me know in the comment, and do it for 10 days and you will have such amazing transformation. You will be surprised. And if you want to program your subconscious mind like this by doing regular visualization, meditation, going deeper into the process, then you can join our powerful daily life program, daily subconscious reprogramming, DSR, that I am conducting right now on Zoom Monday to Saturday. And people are having tremendous transformation. You can be part of it. But if you are not yet ready for it, absolutely fine. Stay on our YouTube channel. I'm sharing so many amazing things, and you deserve to manifest your goals, desires, and dreams. So get ready for it. Apply this technique. Let the universe bring everything into your alignment, because you are already living in the completion state of your manifestation. So go ahead, write in the comment right now, I am whole and complete in, and complete that statement in which area you want to be whole and complete, and you are letting the universe know. Let's do it, let's manifest. And if you are new here, once again, subscribe to the channel, because I am going to give you so many amazing techniques and wisdom that will be a game changer for your manifestation. Yes or yes, let's do it. Thank you so much for watching.